Hi Plonkers, it's Daft Scots Lass here, and I thought I'd do a quick vlog today just to say that yeah, I'm still alive and looking a bit pasty because I'm not wearing any makeup today. Sorry about that, not looking my best for you Plonkers, but anyway, you'll forgive me when you know that I've been at home for 2 weeks with the dreaded pneumonia, and it's actually been horrible. I don't think I've ever been this ill, and not even when I was in the hospital was I off work this long. It's just taken a really long time for me to recover from this, and so I'm back at work on Monday, and I'm actually looking forward to going back. There's only so much TV you can watch, and you know, books you can read, and YouTube channels to check out. I'll vlog soon about going back to work and how awesome that's going to be. I'm probably going to be back at work for like an hour or two and then wish I was at home again. So I'm not going to say woohoo because I'm back at work. I'll do that next week when I'm actually back at work. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Have an awesome weekend. Bye.
You stick around.